Yo, what up, guys? All right, man, so I got these taillights right here from the junkyard. I paid 45 bucks for them. Got them like a year or two ago, and this is sort of what it looked like when I first got it. Right here is all yellow and faded and oxidized and stuff. So then I actually put some bug spray on this, made a video about it, got 500,000 views, so that's what's up. But this taillight right here, I never really done anything with it, so it was a little bit yellower than this, so I sanded it down with 220. This is too much, so sanded it down with that, and then I polished it with Commodore coatings, and it was yellow like this. So I decided to go ahead, clean it up really well, and I'm gonna clear coat it. So the thing is, I actually already clear coated it, and it came out like really clear, but I wanted to make a video about it, so I sanded it all down again, and now I'm about to clear coat it again. So yeah. But anyway, man, we're going to clear coat this real quick. This is all dry now. So yeah, it was like that clear. Now watch. Look at that. It's freaking like magic, dude. This is why I wanted to record it, because damn. So that's the first coat. I'm gonna let that dry. I actually seen a set of taillights just like this, except for it had the chrome background instead of the carbon fiber, and I was really wanting to go and get those. And what I want to do is, I like these taillights. These taillights are pretty cool. I like the carbon fiber behind them, but I want to take the lens off and color match the back to my truck, and then put the lens back on. I also want to get rid of the black right here as well, so that way it all just blends in, dude. It looks freaking cool. So yeah, I might actually do that if I can get the taillights cheap enough, because I paid 45 for these and the woman wants like 50, so I'm gonna try to talk her down at like 20. But yeah, look at this taillight, dude. Man, it's never really going to be as clear as I want it to be, but I mean, we can definitely pretend. Oh yeah, that looks good, brother. That looks good. It really does. That looks good. So I actually need to do the same with this one and get this thing looking good. But yeah, I'm gonna let this dry and then throw it back on the truck. This is what it looks like out in the sun. Dang, that looks good, bro.